got enough space or what? Good morning, YouTube. Absolutely exhausted. It's sorry I didn't get to upload yesterday. I'm exhausted, man. I really am. We've been driving for approximately about 3,000 miles per week in the past, let's say about a month and a half. That's a lot of driving, man. At least for me it is. So I don't know how your driving experience is, but for me that's a lot of driving. Here in Wells, Nevada, surprisingly it's pretty empty out here. I'm very surprised. It's on a junction of I-80 and 93, so we're taking the remote roads of Nevada, going up onto Idaho, and then from Idaho we're gonna pick up the 84, Interstate 84, and go west. It's like 4 in the a.m. man. It's a little too early for me, but I'm surprised how many people are actually up and going right now at 4 a.m. Maybe they're just getting ready to shut down. I don't know. There's some people that are just getting ready to shut down right now. Man, that's some good coffee. Man, I don't know. I'm wondering what people did before coffee came around. Huh. Maybe I should do a research on that. You know what? Let me go write that down on my little handy dandy note over here. And then I'm gonna go look that up. Coffee history. So I exchanged trailers yesterday. The only reason why I agreed to that, because it's easier for me. I get reloaded faster without waiting to get unloaded and reloaded again. So it's not so bad. It's a win-win situation for me, I think. So it was a smart move. Anyway, we're gonna get going, man. We're about 540 miles from delivery, so let's roll. was a crazy road, man. Or weather. That was a crazy weather. That came out of nowhere too. I mean, it was raining a little bit before we left Wells. but it was just a little bit of rain, and the temperature was like 40 something degrees, 42 degrees. So, and then we got up on the northern side of Wales. I was starting to see it start forming to ice. I was like, uh-oh, here we go. Look at the temperature gauge. It's starting to drop. It dropped to 37, and then it dropped to about 34, and then it dropped to 32, and then that's when it started. I was like, uh-oh. But suggestions on a situation like that is don't panic. Number one, never panic. Best thing to do is to just relax, take it easy, and watch what you're doing. So, and then second thing is, of course, get off the pedal, man. Get off the pedal. Relax on that pedal. If it means driving at 15 miles an hour, so be it. Driving 15 miles an hour, whatever you're comfortable with. That's why it's adjust for the condition, you know? And if you have to, go ahead and pull it over. If you're not comfortable, go ahead and find a safe spot to pull it over and wait it out. It's not worth it, man. It really isn't. So, anyway, we're here in Ontario, Oregon. You know, supposed to be fuel here is cheap. Well, it's not. Paid $248. Paid $248. That's with a permit. Not crazy. You know where cheap fuel is all the time? Missouri and Oklahoma. Always cheap fuel. Every time. For some reason. We're about 240 something miles away from delivery, so we're gonna get an early start on that on editing this vlog right here. So let's roll. Alright guys, we made it, man. We are here, Richland, Washington. Let's go find it on the map. 182 right there, we're right there on Richland, Washington. I was trying to get here a little earlier. Maybe I can get unloaded. Nah, not gonna work. Apparently, these guys can only unload one truck at a time. Or one truck per day, because they unloaded one truck today already, and yeah, whatever. So they're building like a hotel or whatever, and we'll take a look at it tomorrow. So I dropped my trailer, and now I'm parked over here at Home Depot. There's Panda Express. Oh yeah, Panda Express time. Man, I'm starting to love the Panda Express, the noodles, or yeah, the ramen, whatever you call that thing. That stuff is good, man. Anyway, man, that is it for the day, man. What an interesting day. Especially where it was up there in Idaho, where it was between Idaho and Nevada, where it was snowing. Well, it kind of like rain and it became snow and it became ice or whatever. I did slip a couple of times there. So, but The main thing is I did not panic. So remember guys, if you run into a situation where something drastically changed, do not panic, man. You are in control of that vehicle. Do not panic. If you guys like this channel, down below, little thumbs up button, and then you have the subscribe button. Just hit that, click, subscribe button. Man, we're gonna have some fun in this channel. All right, till next time, signing out.